Okay, wait. Okay, so I mean, listen, you're young and you're cool, and what? How? Why laundry? Why? How? What? How? Tell me.
Yeah, so I got into the laundromat industry after I had my daughter. I got pregnant my freshman year of college. I was on this track scholarship at Radford University, got pregnant, whoop, then had to come to Charlotte, transferred everything. And throughout my whole life, I knew I was going to be an entrepreneur. However, I didn't know which route I was going to go to until I did have my daughter. And I don't know, it's like you say it every time on the podcast. It's like we don't wake up thinking like, oh, the Lord has blessed me with the laundromat
Yes.
industry and all that stuff. No, it just, I don't know what happened, but something happened and the laundromat industry came into my brain one stormy night or whatever. And since then, I had been doing lots of research. I say lots, but I'm gonna be real with myself because we're gonna keep it real today. I say lots, but it was like a good amount of research for little 19-year-old
Okay.
Maddie.
Okay.
But I did some research. I got into the CLA right when the pandemic started, became a member, read their white papers, looked at their data, got on some Facebook groups, which are real. Those Facebook groups are really
Uh-huh.
something, but that's we can save that for later. And 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 I just really fell in love with the laundry industry and the things that it could do for mine and my daughter's future. Um, and when I was a senior in college, I started to take things a little bit more seriously, building out a business plan for a laundromat, which that later in life I found out that that doesn't even matter. And I also started talking to sellers of laundromats. I am going to have a laundromat empire, like several other people that watch this and have been on this
Hmm.
podcast. And once I was starting to talk to some sellers, they did not take your girl seriously. 20-year-old Maddie, they were like, this girl is tripping. She ain't got no money in her bank. And they were right. So I was like, okay. I was like, okay, I'm gonna take a step back. I graduated from college and I walked across the stage with my daughter. Shout out!
Awesome.
And once I graduated, I was on go mode to start in the industry somehow. In the beginning of my laundry industry journey, a lot of people were telling me the best way to figure out or to get really familiar with the laundromat industry is to either work at the laundromat or start your own laundry delivery company. So my hard-headed self, and throughout this podcast, you'll find out how really hard-headed I
Hey,
am.
I'm right there with you. So yeah,
Yes, my hard-headed self did not take any of that information seriously until I was put on my butt at the end of my college career with no laundromat. So I was like, okay, let me get off my butt, start this laundry delivery company. I took a month after graduating until I opened up my laundry delivery company, which is Fresh and Mobile, to get all the pieces together. And voila, we had a laundry delivery company.